Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I just want to do like a reference video, so when this happens you have a video to look on for possible solutions. And the topic of this video is Instagram down right now? Obviously it is up right now as I'm making this video, but if for any reason it goes down, I want to make this video so people know what to do and to check if it is actually in fact down. So what you can do if you notice that your Instagram app is acting a little bit strange, things aren't working the way that they should be, pretty much the first thing that I always do when I think Instagram might be down, sometimes the app just totally doesn't work, and what you can do is you can go on over to YouTube, and then all you need to do is type in the search bar, is Instagram down right now? So you can see it auto populated there, and then you're going to be noticing really recent videos that pop up. So you can see here 5 days ago Instagram server actually went down according to this video, and you can see here this one's from 1 year ago, the second one, and the other one's 5 days ago. So recently Instagram went down, and if it goes down, these YouTubers hop on to that topic and they make videos about it, and then you'll actually know that it's down. The second way that you can confirm if Instagram is down is by going to a web browser. So I'm on Google Chrome right now, and then all you need to do is type is Instagram down, and then you'll be on the all section, and you might find a down detector website that you can find out if it's down. That's totally up to you if you want to click on that, but what I like to do is just go to the news section, and then you can see here Instagram is down 4 days ago. So lots of news articles are going to pop up the moment that the app goes down, and they're going to even offer you solutions as to what you can do. But typically what you need to do is just wait it out until they rectify the problem. And then the other thing you can do if you really want to verify if it's down is you can go to Twitter. Twitter will be going crazy with people talking about the fact that Instagram is down. You can just check out people tweeting about it and everything like that. So when Instagram goes down, there's pretty much nothing you can do about it. There's no hacks or tricks to actually fix it. It's actually down on Instagram side. So what you need to do is just be patient and wait it out, and then they'll fix the problem, and then you'll be able to use Instagram. Typically it lasts a couple of hours if it's like a bad outage or something. But I hope this helped you out. If it did, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.